Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cooking with Karen. Today I'll be showing you how to make pine drink. Not only though, before we start the video, like the thing, subscribe, tell everybody you know. Let me show you what you need. You need some cinnamon. This is it. You need some clove. You need 1 cup of sugar. You need a pine and a container to put it in. For this pine drink, we'll be using the skin of the pine. We don't boil the pine, but we leave it for 3 days. The reason why you don't boil it is that you lose some of the nutrients that the skin would give you. The skin has vitamin C in it. It has folate in it and other nutrients. So you must not boil the pine. Also, when you boil it, it tastes different. And you just soak the skin, peel it, cut up the skin fine, or you could leave it in big chunks. And you put it in your container and you leave it for the maximum 3 days with all these ingredients, and you'll get a lovely flavor. Don't forget, don't boil it, you know. Is already cut, and we have the fleshy part here, we have the skin here, and we have the clove and the cinnamon and the sugar. We just enter it into the container. For the cinnamon, all you need is this piece. You don't need a lot. See, this is the skin. And this is the small pieces that is cut from here. You see, give it a nice design. And if you eat these small pieces here with this tough part, your mouth would scratch you. At least that is what I experienced. And for this, you use this is the clove. You use about 5 to 6 cloves, not a lot. And you add your water. When you finish, you add your water and you leave it up to here. Hi guys, it's been 3 days and now we'll just check and see how the drink is, but I'm sure it is finished. The ingredients soak in, the pine skin, get it just stay in the water and it sucking everything, sucking all the flavor and everything, and I'm sure we get a nice pine drink. Look how it look. This is how it look. Don't leave it for more than 3 days, because next thing you know, you're gonna get wine and you don't want wine, you want just a drink. So I can strain it, then we can see how it really look. I already strained it, and this is the pine skin here. And look at the drink we have. We got nice, delicious pine drink. Look at how it is. And this is rich pine drink. If you want, you could even add water or drink it just like that. Look at it. Now we can taste the pine drink and see how it tastes. Nobody can tell me this tastes good. Let me tell you something. You need to try this. It tastes real nice. Go and try it. Wait, look, when you don't watch this video, you go and buy a pine and try this recipe. Trust me, you make some lovely drink. Everybody gonna ask you where you know this recipe from, and don't forget to tell them. Cooking with Karen. Don't forget to show them the video, like, and subscribe to the team. Bye.